Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to clean a PC, and for this tutorial we're going to be using this dirty system right here. Regularly cleaning your PC will help it run smoother for longer and help protect the hardware inside. The tools we'll be using today are just things you can generally find lying around the house, with probably the only exception being this can of compressed air, which you can get for about $10 to $15. We're going to be starting by cleaning off all the dust filters and intake zones on the case. This is an essential clean. A lot of the dust you see inside your system at one point did come in through those intake zones, so by cleaning it before it gets inside the system, it'll make your life a lot easier. For the filters and front panels, I like to use a brush first to just loosen up any hardened dust on there, and then follow that with a good vacuum clean. Make sure there's bristles on the head of the vacuum. Up next, we'll be cleaning the interior of the PC. So we're going to be removing the rear exhaust fan and the GPU. This will give us easier access to just clean the components behind it. And it's a good idea to clean the GPU individually, as it can be a bit hard to reach the fans at the bottom while it's installed inside the system. Similar cleaning process, I like to use the brush to just get inside and break up the hardened dust. And I'm going to use the blower inside the fans. Before using any type of blower or compressed air, make sure that you are in a nice open area, and if you are blowing into fans, hold onto them. You don't want them spinning wildly. And last thing, make sure you do have a face mask, as you don't want to take in any of that dust. Once the removed components are cleaned, we want to give the interior of the case a clean too. As we can see, a lot of the dust has settled on our PSU shroud, so we want to give that a quick wipe and also clean the motherboard and CPU cooler. If your CPU cooler is quite dirty, then do consider removing it for a more thorough clean as well. Next, we're going to be focusing on all the intake zones on the case. That includes the grating at the back here, the top and the front. At the front, we do have those fans that we didn't remove. We're just going to do those ones first. Just finish it off with a quick blow from the compressed air. Last stage of the cleaning will be the back section, including the power supply shroud. Our system's not too terrible, so we're just going to give it a quick blow with the compressed air. If your system is dirtier, do consider removing the power supply and just getting into the corners. If required, just give the case a quick wipe down with a nice soft microfiber cloth and turn all the components back into the system. And that's it for today's video. Hope you found it helpful. I think it's definitely looking a lot cleaner than it was. If you guys have any questions about any of the process we've gone through today, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching.